So looking at this problem, so we can use the histogram here to complete a frequency distribution table and add a cumulative frequency column. So I actually haven't done the frequency distribution table, but you can do that. But I've just done the cumulative frequency as I go along, because there's one score of 1, as we can see, and then we've got 3 scores of 2, so it goes to 4, and then 12, 16. So all I'm doing is just having a look at how many of those, and just keep adding up, and eventually get up to the 10 score, and then we add 60 on there. So that allows me to answer question C, which is how many cars in the car park. There's 60 all up. That's where that comes from. How many teachers drive cars that are 6 years or younger? So okay, look at the 6 years or younger. Well, we go back, so it'd be 38, because that's the cumulative frequency to 6 years. How many teachers drive cars that are older than 8 years? So I look at 8 years, and it's 53, and it goes to 60. So the 9 and 10 must combine to give us 7. So that's how we're going to get those scores, by looking at our cumulative frequency. And then you can use the table to draw up a frequency histogram and polygon using the rules we talked about before. So looking at a different problem with just a polygon here, you can draw up a cumulative frequency table, and that's what we've done. We've looked here and gone, well, that's going up 4, then goes up to 6, then 14, 20, stays at 20, 22, and then up to 28. So I can get a frequency from that, because I'm just doing what's the difference between the cumulative frequency each time to give me my actual frequency. So how many scores were exactly 20? I can, once I've done the frequency part, I can actually go answer that. That would be 8. How many scores are less than 22? So cumulative frequency less than 22 would be 20. Because when 22 is there, how many scores are less than 20? There's 20 scores less than 22. How many scores were no more than 21? So no more than 21, you're looking at less. It's the same as less than 21, or less. So no more than 21. So you can get 20 again there. So just be careful about the language. More than 21 there. Okay. And then which score never occurred? Well, we have a look and see at 22, because the cumulative frequency didn't change, that means the frequency for 22 was 0. So that's the score that never occurred. There was no scores of 22 in this set. So that's how we can start to use a cumulative frequency diagram to start answering problems.